Hi, I'm Erica Gamet with Ajar Productions, back with another in5 customer showcase. The example I have today comes from a company called VTG, and it isn't a website. Instead, they used InDesign and in5 to create an interactive tabletop for use at a trade show. Visitors to their booth could get an overview of the company's services with this touch table, giving them an alternative to printing and distributing flyers. The artwork was mostly created in Illustrator and animated in InDesign. The company works with freight wagons and tanks and the logistics involved with that, so I love that they incorporated these little trains zipping all around. The animations of these little gears call attention to clickable, or rather tappable, locations. Tapping on a gear brings up an information tab. These were built using multi-state objects, or MSOs. Click the little X to close. There are even MSOs within MSOs. Clicking on Learn More brings up this information, and then these little multi-page informational sheets. They have nice slideshows and some directional arrows in them. I love how this example shows that you can have lots of information without overwhelming your intended audience. And all of that is nicely paired with clever design and fun animations. Be sure to check out in5 at in5.us. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.